Hey everyone, this is Zishan Sumar with the Market Minute for June 2018. I hope you guys are all enjoying your summer so far. I hope you're getting a chance to enjoy the warm weather. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I won't take up too much of your time because I know everybody wants to get back out there and get back to doing what they're doing. But I wanted to give you a really quick update on the GTA and the Toronto real estate market. Let's just jump right into the numbers. So year over year, things have started to kind of turn a corner, and they're starting to look a lot better than they did over the first 6 months of this year. Sales are up just a touch from 7893 to just over 8,000 from June 2017 to June 2018. So that's about a 2.4% increase in the number of sales or the number of transactions. Active listings are up about 6%, so we're hovering around 20,000, which is where we sort of want to be at this point in the year. It's a very normal number, something that we're familiar seeing when we look at the historical numbers. Average price has climbed up a little bit year over year as well. It's about a 2% increase year over year. Months of inventory, again, a really important factor we need to look at to see the balance between supply and demand. And that hasn't changed too much year over year when you look at it, 2.5 to 2.6 months worth of inventory across the GTA. Now, these numbers represent the entire GTA, north to south, east to west. What I want to do is break it down a little further and look at types of homes in different areas to see where there's opportunity and compare them with where the prices were last year versus where they are now. So let's take detached homes, for example. In Toronto, between June 2017 and June 2018, we can see that they're pretty similar in price. Nothing's really changed in that market year over year. It's been pretty steady, been pretty stable. It wasn't as affected as some of the markets we're going to get into right now. So look at Richmond Hill. In June 2017, the average price of a detached home was $1.68 million. It's now dropped to $1.45 million. That's a huge chunk that's come off the top, and that represents opportunity, I think, for a lot of buyers that are out there. If we look at months of inventory, June 2017, we were at 5.8 months of inventory, and that's shot up to 7.6 months of inventory. In Vaughan, it's gone from 1.33 million for a detached home to 1.18 million. Months of inventory, 4.5 months last year, 5.5 months this year in June. In Markham, we've gone from 1.42 million for a detached house to 1.37. So a little bit tighter, a little bit less affected in Markham. But you can see that in Richmond Hill, there's quite a jump or quite a drop from last year to this year. If we look at townhomes in Toronto, 2017 prices, 984,000. In June 2017 or June 2018, we're at 942,000. Townhomes in Richmond Hill have dropped from 922 all the way to 840. Vaughan has actually picked up a little bit. Their average price in June 2017 was 815,000, and that's shot up to about 852,000. Markham has dropped from 922 to 852, so there's a bit of savings in Markham as well when you're looking at townhomes. Condos are, I think, the real driver in the market. If you look at the numbers right at the beginning of this video, we said that sales were up and prices were up, and it looks like a lot of that is being attributed to the sale of condos. So in 2017 in Toronto, you could have bought something on average for about $550,000, $552,000. Today, that same condo is now at $605,000. So you can see that there's been a jump year over year in the condo market. Months of inventory has remained the same or very similar, 1.6 months on both sides, or both June 2017, June 2018. So it's still super, super tight in the condo market in the city of Toronto. In Richmond Hill, the average price of a condo in June 2017 was $473,000. and that's dropped off to about 455,000. In Vaughan, condos have gone up, 520,000 to 564,000. In Markham, roughly the same, 478 to 475. Really not much of a difference there. But I think what you can pick up from this video is there's opportunity in the 905. Across the board, we're seeing a lot of price drops in the detached homes, in townhomes, in condos, Richmond Hill specifically. There's really, really good opportunity. There's higher inventory, there's lower prices. This is a fantastic time to be buying. I get asked that question a lot, you know, is now a good time? Should I do it now? Should we make the move? And for, I think, majority of my clients, the answer is yes. This is a very good time, especially if you're upsizing. You're going to get a good discount on a bigger home just because of the nature of the market that's dropped. So I guess what you want to see, or what you want to take away from this video, is in the city of Toronto, things are pretty stable. Things have kind of leveled off. In the 905, prices have leveled off, but they've come down significantly since this time last year. So it's a good time to be buying, whether it's condos, whether it's houses, townhomes, or detached homes. There's significant opportunity for you to make a move and kind of trade up to something a bit better, if that's what you're looking for. If you have any questions, if you want me to kind of discuss a specific market, neighborhood, area, please feel free to leave a comment below or send me a private message. If you have any questions about real estate in general, please don't hesitate. Just, you know, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think, or if you have any thoughts or concerns. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next month with another update. Thanks again. Have a great day.